Shala. 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 What's that? Alright guys, so here SGV News First with Downey Transparent Eye and Whittier Watch. We're here at the Motel 6 to do another investigation. Try to figure out what's going on here, but looks like security's freaking out once again. Oh. They went and got their little security belt. I guess you need a security belt when you're a security guard. Carry your flashlight and other things. There's a lady from the other day.
Are you recording my car? Look, man, you're gonna lose your life. Start recording my car.
Just a little bit. Just only just a little bit. Is that okay? A little bit? A little bit. Is that okay?
No, it's not. No, it's not okay.
Why? Not even a little bit?
No, not even a little bit.
Oh, come on.
I don't even work here, that's why.
I'm
I
sorry?
don't even my car own this.
I'm sorry?
So I don't even work here, I don't even my car own this.
Who owns the car?
I do.
That's what I mean. That's okay, bro.
Hey man,
Look, man.
you can't trespass our eyes, man.
But get that camera off my face.
What?
Get that camera out my face.
Ain't no camera in your face, man.
What's that?
Ain't no camera in your face, man.
What's
Back
that?
up. Back up, homeboy.
Hey, your phone is on there. The light.
Man. I need to be cameras on my phone.
It's not even worth it, man. It's not on.
Huh?
It's not even worth it. It's only cameras, bro. It's only cameras.
I know, it could be on your life too.
What's that? It's only cameras, bro. I'm not provoking you, it's only cameras. Yeah, it's only cameras, bro. It's not worth it, bro. Just go home and relax. That's a good choice, bro. Don't make bad choices. Don't make bad choices tonight, bro.
Hey, what prison are you guys from?
La tuya, güey.
Mamón.
La tuya.
Yeah?
What are you
Yeah.
doing, Mamón?
You're on our property, bro. Get out of here.
No, he's not.
De-escalate, guys. Go home, man. Relax, Andrew. Take care, Andrew.
Stop talking to him, bro.
Have a good night, guys.
No, stop. Do it. No. Stop.
Oh, you got a knife on him. You got a knife on him.
You brandishing weapons, man? You brandishing weapons? Damn, what a coward. You couldn't handle it without a weapon or what?
Oh my God. No. Get in the car. No.
Hey, relax. It's not worth it, dude. It's not worth it. Hey,
I can do what?
Andrew.
Back up,
I don't need no weapon. I can't do what?
Back up.
I can't do what? I can't do what? I don't got no weapon in my hand. Do what? Do what?
Back up, man.
Do what?
De-escalate, homeboy.
Do what?
Camera, dude. You want to go to jail
Do
for
what?
a camera? You want to go to
Do
jail
what?
for a camera? Is a
Do
camera
what,
worth
bitch
your
ass
fucking
nigga?
going
Do
to jail
what?
for, man?
Do what?
Dude, back the fuck
Do
up.
what?
Bitch
ass nigga.
This shit ain't worth it for you.
Do what? Do what?
Larry, come on.
Your life is worth the camera. Think about that shit, man.
Is your life worth
Open your eyes, man.
Is your life worth the camera? Huh? Is your life worth the camera?
Investigation, dude.
Yeah, is your life worth the camera? I ain't worried about going to jail. Is your life worth the camera?
You're the one that stopped on us, man. Remember that.
I don't give a damn.
No, you should, man. It's your life. It's your fucking life, man, not mine. It's your life.
Man, people need to grow the fuck up, dude. Look at this shit.
I'm not provoking you. It's only camera. Yeah, it's only camera, bro. It's not worth it, bro. Just go home and relax. That's a good choice, bro. Don't make bad choices. Don't make bad choices tonight.
Hey, what place are you guys from?
La tuya, güey.
Mamón.
La tuya.
What are you doing, dude?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Mamón?
You're on our property, bro. Get out of
You're on the property. Shut up. We're not on your property. De-escalate, guys. Go home, man. Relax, Andrew. Take care, Andrew.
Stop talking to me, bro.
Have a good night, guys. Oh, you got a knife now? You got a knife, man. You gotta take the stiletto on that.
You brandishing weapons, man? You brandishing weapons? Damn, what a coward. You couldn't handle it without a weapon or what?
Oh my God! Hey, get in the car!
Hey, relax. It's not worth it, dude. It's not worth it. Hey, Andrew,
Back up, fool.
I don't know weapon. I
Back
can't do what?
up. Back up. Back up, fool. You don't want this. You don't want this,
I don't got no
homeboy.
weapon in my hand.
You don't
Do
want
what?
this. You don't want this, man. Back up, man.
Do what?
De-escalate, homeboy. It's a
Do
fucking
what?
camera, dude. You want to go to jail
Do
for
what?
a camera? You want to go to
Do
jail
what?
for a camera? Is a camera
what,
worth
bitch
your
ass
fucking
nigga?
going
Do
to jail
what?
for, man?
Do what?
Dude, back the fuck up,
Do
man.
what?
Back
Bitch
up.
ass nigga.
This shit ain't worth it for you, man. You want your life is worth a camera, bro?
Investigation, dude.
Your life is worth a camera. Think about that shit, man. Open your eyes, man. We're conducting an investigation, dude.
Huh?
What?
Is your life worth a camera?
No,
is your
Yeah,
life
it's your life
worth
worth
a
a
camera?
camera. Hey, I ain't worried about going to jail. Is your life worth a camera?
You're the one that stopped on us, man. Remember that.
I don't give a damn.
No, you should, man. It's your life. It's your fucking life, man, not mine. It's your life. Yeah, man. We're out here filming. Yeah, I know, man. But this guy came out and pulled a knife out on us and got it all up in our faces and stuff, man. So, huh? Yeah.
Here's security, he said.
I know which one.
Andre?
Yeah.
What did he tell you guys?
He was just concerned that we were out here filming, and he told us not to film him, and then he got in his face, and then his girlfriend was trying to hold him back, and then he came.
Girlfriend or his girlfriend?
No, the guy's girlfriend.
Okay.
So it just came a heated situation, and he came out with the knife and everything. So
When he came out with the knife, where was he?
I was right here.
he ran around the car.
Oh, he had it that way, you didn't.
He pulled it out and he was holding it backwards like this, while he had it like this, like on his side, but
Talk to them.
the blade was was pointed backwards.
Let me talk to him, see what's going on.
Yeah.
What do you mean? I mean, what else? What more things?
The girl right here is all reading the comments on YouTube. Is that down?
And the guy,
Huh?
he said I can press charges.
He has a 245. It's maybe not as strong. You have a challenging you to a fight. Because he went to your face and said he'd beat you up or whatever he said, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's all you have, which is a misdemeanor. On him, if, like I told him, if he believed his life, well, at some point he felt threatened, then he has a 245, because it's his belief. Hey, you know what? I did feel threatened. He was,
Yeah.
what, 3